Tracking storms, alerting you, protecting your family. It's time for 10 Weather.
Now that we got that out of the way, the headline was kind of scary that they just weren't going to do it at all, but you can ask for it. That's good. All right, not so scary storms coming in tonight, but certainly a decent squall line. This had winds in excess of 60 miles per hour coming at us earlier this evening. Fortunately, it has weakened. We thought it would, and it has. And we still have a chance for about 35, 40 mile per hour winds with it as it comes through. So do want to keep an eye on it now. I've tracked it for you across eastern Hernando and Pasco counties. It's going to put it through Zephyr Hills and Dade City by about 11:30, so another 15 minutes, a little less than that. Plant City by 11:53, and then Orlando by about 10 minutes after 12 o'clock. But you see the line. It's real heavy rain right now in western Pasco County. That's the heaviest of it. Tarpon Springs, it's knocking on the door right now. And you can see it is going to move southward in the Safety Harbor by about 11:26, downtown Tampa about 11:36, including South Tampa, and then Lakeland by about midnight. Bradenton, I definitely think about 10 minutes after 12 o'clock. It will be weaker by the time it gets to Bradenton and Sarasota. Sarasota almost 12:30. Let's cross your fingers it makes it that far south because we really need the rain, and that's what we'll get out of this more than anything else. Now, there are a couple thunderstorms and showers back behind it, but you can see that squall line there all the way from Jacksonville, all the way out west of us. That's it. That's the leading edge of it. So anything else back behind it's generally light rainfall, kind of patchy at that, perhaps one or two thunderstorms. Now, no watches or warnings. We had a severe thunderstorm watch for the waters off of Pasco, Hernando, and Citrus County. We eventually had a severe thunderstorm warning in northwestern parts of Crystal River, Citrus County really, and up into Levy County. Right now, this is a marine warning for any boaters that would be out there as well. That's just because some gusts at about 35 to 40 miles per hour are coming through there. The front driving this is still west of the Mississippi River. And in fact, look what happened. Remember all the damage in New Orleans right there? This is not the same squall line. You see the squall line developed in the central panhandle, but it is part of the same system. The severe weather threat is still west of Jacksonville, but most of the squall lines already moved through there. So it's not a huge threat left over. And you can see we're looking good here. Once this comes through, we're done with it. And I think we're not going to see too much in the way of severe weather left over anyways. And then tomorrow, that moves into the Carolinas, and even there, it's not as potent as what it was today. Now, I did want to run you through the forecast model because we do have a little unsettled weather. What's going to happen overnight tonight is we're going to see a few isolated showers left over, and some of those around for the morning, the bus stop. Keep that in mind for the kids. The afternoon hours, still some scattered showers, some sun, not a lot, but fog will develop. And that fog is going to roll on and get kind of thicker, and then eventually an isolated shower through Thursday morning. That's probably one of our best chances for rain other than right now. And then by Thursday afternoon, there it goes. Front comes through, drier air comes in, sun comes back out by Thursday afternoon. So a little unsettled tonight, 68. That's it for a low. Tomorrow, start mix of sun and clouds, isolated shower, but the fog will come back pretty quickly. And watch this. Watch what happens with the fog. This is sea fog along the coast. So afternoon, early afternoon along the coast. And as soon as that sun sets tomorrow evening, that's going to spread inland. And I think it could stick around through the first part of Thursday morning as well. 7-day forecast, look at that. Dry out, and we cool down on Friday, but just a little bit below average, actually, and then right back up in the mid-70s, guys, close to 80 by Sunday.